Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert 3-line page border in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert 3-line page border. Now go into the insert menu option, then click. Now click for a drop text box. Now draw text box in all pages. Now draw text box, then going to the drawing tool option, then click for format menu option, then click for a shape outline, then select from black color, then again shape outline. Now click for width option, then click for more lines option, then click for dash type option, then select, then click for compound type option. Now select from 6pt, then click for OK. That's it. Now you can see, then zoom from that it. Then you can see 3-line page border in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for